Hello friends, as you know, my name is Sachin Kratmal and today I am going to discuss what is the HBL and MBL. What is the meaning of HBL, that is House Bill of Lading, and MBL, that is Master Bill of Lading. HBL and MBL is essential documents in the logistics and shipping industry, especially in international trade. Now we can see what is the meaning of MBL, that is Master Bill of Lading. MBL is issued by the carrier or shipping line to the NVOCC or freight forwarder. It serves as the primary document of the shipment representing the carrier's receipt of goods and terms of transportation. Now we can see key characteristics of MBL. The MBL issued by shipping line issues to freight forwarder or NVOCC. It reflects details of the freight forwarder as shipper and overseas agent or consignee. This is used for carrier's shipping record and port handling. Now we can check contents of MBL. Name of the shipper, freight forwarder, NVOCC. Name of the consignee, overseas agent and freight forwarder. Vessel OH details, container numbers and cargo description, port of loading and discharge, terms of shipment, that is FOB, CIF, etc. Now we can check what is the meaning of House Bill of Lading, that is HBL. The House Bill of Lading, that is HBL, is issued by a freight forwarder or NVOCC to the actual exporter or shipper. Its hand mirrors the MBL, but the meant for the shipper's record, reflecting to actual seller and buyer of the goods. Key characteristics of HBL. HBL issued by freight forwarder or NVOCC, issued to actual exporter or shipper. It's reflect actual shipper and buyer or consignee. This used for banking, custom clearance and cargo release. What are the contents in HBL? First is shipper, that is actual exporter. Second is consignee, that is actual importer or buyer. Notify party details, cargo description, term of delivery, origin or destination. Now we can check key differences of HBL versus MBL. You can see here features of HBL or MBL. First is issuer. In HBL, freight forwarder or NVOCC, and in MBL, shipping line or carrier. The second one is issued to. In HBL, exporter, it means actual shipper, and in MBL, it is freight forwarder or NVOCC. Third is shipper name. In the HBL, actual exporter, and in the MBL, freight forwarder. Fourth is consignee name. In the HBL, actual importer or buyer. In the Master BL, freight forwarder's agent name. Fifth point, use. In the HBL, used by the shipper or consignee or banks, and in the MBL, used by carrier, ports and customs. Sixth point is cargo control. In the HBL, forwarder controls release of goods. In the MBL, carrier controls release to forwarder. And the last is required for. In the HBL, LC documentation, custom clearance, and in the MBL, booking and container release. Now we can see one example flow of shipment. First is exporter book shipment with freight forwarder or NVOCC. Second, freight forwarder book space with shipping line. And third is MBL issue by the carrier to forwarder. HBL issued by the forwarder to actual exporter. And after that, at the destination, the freight forwarder agent release cargo based on the HBL instructions. Now we can see why use HBL or MBL separately. Forwarder issue HBL to have control the cargo routine and delivery. Second is shipper or consignee use HBL for banking, especially under letter of credit, proof of ownership and legal obligations. And the most important, carrier use MBL for port operations and cargo handling. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. And the most important, don't forget to leave your comment and share your thoughts, because your feedback truly matters. So please share your thoughts in the comment box. Stay tuned, keep watching.